Night, a travel advisory in effect in Chautauqua County until 7 a.m. Thursday. Travel discouraged there because of whiteout conditions and impossible travel. The Lake Erie shoreline taking a huge beating from the high winds and waves crashing ashore. I want to show you what happened in Dunkirk. Watch this. So watch again in slow motion. You can hear the wind roaring, snapping this tree in two, crashing to the ground. As our 7 News senior reporter Maki Becker reports, Chautauqua County is hit hard.
Those winds and waves and everything, it's kind of like the perfect storm, so to speak.
Gale-force winds toppled trees along the Lake Erie shore in Chautauqua County Monday.
We started getting calls around 8 o'clock this morning for some trees that had gone down. So they went out. We had a couple in Fredonia, not too many so far, but along the lake there in Dunkirk, they seem to be getting hit pretty hard.
Mariah Kravitz of Kravitz Tree Service in Fredonia said her crews have been busy all day.
We had a few calls for trees that had limbs that had fallen down, and then trees that were blocking, a bridge that goes from like the main street to their house, or a tree on a house, or, things of that nature. So they're out there right now and working as best they can, kind of in between the lulls of the heavy winds.
Check out these videos from Jason Rodriguez of the waves pounding the shoreline. Here's the Director of Emergency Services for Chautauqua County.
The number one message is safety. And when people hear, hey, this, 70 plus mile an hour winds, 30 plus, whatever those high winds, and you see the warnings that travel could be dangerous and impact the commutes, that's where we really need to think of, do we really need to go out?
In Fredonia, the snow was starting to pick up by about 3:30 in the afternoon Monday.
As I speak to you, I look out the window and it's kicking up now. The visibility is getting a little bad, but we're expecting this to be about a 4-day event. What happens in the direction of the wind direction, things like that could change from day to day.
A little further east in ski country, the snow was eagerly anticipated.
There is supposed to be a lot more snow coming, right?
That's what the forecast says. So that's what we're banking on. And hopefully this area sees a lot of fresh snow. Our guests love that. And we absolutely love being able to provide that kind of wintry experience for them.
It sounds like Holiday Valley is going to get what they're hoping for. Maki Becker, 7 News.
Good news for those skiers. Maki, thank you. She is our Chautauqua County reporter. If you've got a story idea for Maki, you can scan this QR code on the screen here or send her an email, maki.becker@wkbw.com. She'd love to share your voice.